we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Stuck deciding between the Sony E55 to 210mm and the Sony FE 90mm macro? It's like choosing between photographing a hawk in flight and the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wing.
The 55 to 210mm at around $188 renewed seems like a budget-friendly all-rounder. But what are we really getting for that price? Is it just a step up from the kit lens?
Think vacation memories. Imagine capturing your kid scoring a goal from the sidelines, or a deer grazing in a meadow. Its 82.5 to 315mm equivalent zoom range is super versatile. Plus, optical steady shot helps keep those handheld shots sharp.
Okay, but the 90mm macro, currently around $720 renewed, is a different investment. It's a G lens, promising superior quality. Is it just for macro, or can it pull double duty?
Exactly. They cater to different creative visions. Let's break it down. The 55 to 210mm biggest strength is that reach. You can be quite far from your subject and still get a decent shot. It's lightweight too, at just 12.2 ounces. Great for travel when you don't want to lug around a ton of gear.
And the 90mm macro? It's all about that one-to-one magnification. You can fill the frame with something tiny, the stamen of a flower, the eye of an insect. Plus, it boasts a fast f/2.8 aperture, which is fantastic for low light and creating beautiful bokeh. But remember, it's a medium telephoto, so it's also great for portraits.
But here's where it gets interesting. Both have Sony's optical steady shot.
Right, image stabilization is key. But on the 55 to 210mm, with that long zoom, are we talking about minor assistance? Or a real game changer for handheld video?
It'll help, definitely. But the 90mm macro stabilization is arguably more crucial. At one-to-one magnification, even the slightest tremor becomes a major shake. Plus, it has a direct drive SSM for quiet, precise autofocus, which is a boon for video.
Okay, so it boils down to versatility and reach versus specialized detail and image quality.
Precisely. If you need a flexible lens for everyday shooting and capturing distant subjects without breaking the bank, the 55 to 210mm is a solid choice.
But if you're passionate about macro photography, want exceptional sharpness, and are willing to invest more, the 90mm macro is the clear winner. It's also a fantastic portrait lens, offering more versatility than you might think.
Both are capable lenses, but tailored to different photographic styles. Consider what you love to shoot and choose accordingly. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.